I'm here at the dungeon, and anyway, just looking around at everything in here. Got a bandsaw, got stuff everywhere. I guess you could see. I'm looking at it and I'm taking inventory, a mental note of everything, and trying to figure out how I can work this puzzle because all this has to go over to the other building. Some things will go to the house and some things will go to the shed. But for the most part, it'll all go over to the other building. Um, well, things like my bandsaw, I don't think I need to put that up on the third floor. I think I might need to build myself a area where I can do some woodwork and construction type work, and also, well, the upstairs office area that I'll be working on over there as I transition stuff out of it, and then transition a lot of this stuff that's in the dungeon into the office on the third floor at the other building. Um, that office is going to be used as an office, but also as a electronics shop and a computer shop, I guess, because I do like electronics and computer stuff. I don't do computer and electronic stuff hardly anymore, but I'd really like to get back into it and be able to do some, some good videos on that. But also like my tools for woodworking, making woodworking projects, and as soon as the price of wood goes back down, I'll be maybe doing a few woodworking projects. I'll make videos of those, and I'll can't get my head on straight for some reason. But anyway, I'll be making videos of some of my woodworking projects. Oh, I made 2 loads of stuff already over to the other building. It's a very, very humid day out there. I'm looking out the window as I talk whenever I look over there or look around, whatever. But it's a very, very humid day. We've had some rain, so it's a hot, humid day. My clothes are just wringing wet and sticking to me. I made 2 loads over there. I got them all the way upstairs. Used the 2-wheel dolly and carried some heavy boxes over there and got that done. And I'm really right now when I'm doing my videos, I'm basically taking a break from the work I'm actually doing. So if you want to, keep up with, some of my projects I'm doing, you can subscribe and, hit the notification button. That way you'll be able to see some of the projects I'm working on. But you can also, just go back and review some of my previous videos and kind of, work through them and see where I've started on some of my videos or some of my projects, and also some of my future plans. I think in a couple of my videos I talked about some of my future plans for doing some videos. So each step of the way, I'm going to make some videos. Give me some thumbs up. Talk to you later. Ooh, trying to operate this phone and talk at the same time is not easy for me sometimes. All right.